Unraveling the Phrase, Be Feted. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language and its unique phrases. Today, we are going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, be feted. Whether you're an English learner or just looking to enhance your vocabulary, you're in the right place. Be feted is a phrase that means to be celebrated or honored, typically in a public setting. The term, feted, comes from the French word, fête, which translates to festival, or celebration in English. When a person is feted, they are given a party or a celebration in their honor, usually because of an achievement or a special occasion. To better understand how to use be feted, let's go through some examples. 1. After winning the Nobel Prize, the scientist was feted by colleagues from around the world. 2. The Olympic gold medalist was feted in her hometown with a grand parade. In these examples, the individuals are being celebrated for their remarkable achievements. The phrase, be feted, is commonly used in formal and celebratory contexts. It is often associated with achievements in professional fields, sports, arts, and other areas where exceptional performance is recognized. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Some synonyms for be feted include be celebrated, be honored, be lauded, receive accolades. And that brings us to the end of our video. We hope that you now have a clear understanding of the phrase, be feted, and feel confident using it in your own conversations and writings. Remember, learning a new language is a journey, and you're doing great. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until next time, happy learning.